If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To view the action items in Sage 50 Accounting, select Tasks, Action Items from the menu bar to open the Action Items window. To view your to-do items in Sage 50 Accounting, click the To-Do tab in the Action Items window. To-do items appear as a list of tasks you need to complete. These tasks are not associated with any particular customer, vendor, or employee. To mark a to-do item as completed, check the Done checkbox for the to-do item to enter the date you checked the Done checkbox into the completed column. To enter a to-do item, select a blank line in the list. Then enter the date into the date column and a brief note about the item into the notes column. To-do items stay in the list after they are completed. To delete a to-do item, select the to-do item to delete. Then click the Delete button in the toolbar of the Action Items window. Note you can also set recurrence for a to-do item if it is a regularly recurring task, so you won't have to enter it every time. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.